Hi guys, it's Yolanda, and today I'm going to be tie-dyeing shirts. Crop him out. This one's for my cousin, and this one's mine. It's going to be bad, but it's okay. So we just got done with our first ones. I made this one for my cousin Luna, and then this is the one my brother made. So now I'm about to do my shirt. So now I'm gonna put water in these. Okay, it's recording now. Okay guys, so now we're playing Finding Dory, or watching Finding Dory, but I'm here to grab these two shirts. This is Thomas's and this one is Luna's, and my grandma wants to just put them all in a plastic bag all together, so they're all together. We don't lose them. I don't know. So now I will be back tomorrow so you guys can see the final result. Okay guys, so it's like a week later because I haven't been to my grandma's house and she still has them in here. She hasn't washed them yet, so I'm gonna wash them. There. Oh well. So now I'm gonna start the dry, or not the dryer, the washer, and then I will update you guys either when I put it in the dryer or when I put it, or when it's done. Yeah, that's what I meant. Okay, so now these are done. They're done. So I'm gonna put these in the dryer. Okay, so now I'm gonna...
Hey, there's one more.
Oh, put it in, hurry, go. Okay. Now I'm gonna dry it.
Yeah.
I'll do, which one's the fastest? Delicate or super delicate? I'll do normal. Okay. Now we will see you guys. Or you wanna say?
Now we will see you guys when we're ready.
We'll see you guys when the shirts are ready. So bye.
Yeah. Bye.
And then we're gonna try them on, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay guys, so I'm getting the shirts out right now. I think they're ready. This one feels good. This one is my grandma's. It looks nice from the front. I think this looks really cool. And then this one is my brother's shirt. He did a nice job. It looks like this. I don't know why he chose pink, purple, and blue. This literally looks like a shirt I have, but yeah. And then this one is mine. I used yellow and orange, and it came out blue in the middle, and I think it's because I washed them all together, but I'm not mad about it. It actually looks really cool. It makes the yellow and the orange really pop out and like makes them look like neon, and I like it. So is Leon's, my younger cousin, we used orange, red, and yellow, and pink came out of it for some reason. And then lastly is Luna's, and hers is really cute. It didn't come out how I wanted it to, but it came out cute. We used pink, blue, or yellow, pink, purple, and blue. Hey guys, it's Yolanda. So I forgot to film an outro and I wanted to do it with the kids, but I'm already home, so I can't really do it with the kids. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Comment down below video suggestions, you know, the usual. Follow my social medias. They will all be linked down below, or my usernames will be shown at the outro or the end of the thing. I don't know. Whatever it's called, but yeah. So I will see you guys later. Alright, bye guys.